Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Parsio AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up an account on the Parsio Data Extractor AI account or the IO account, just open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address guys parsio.io and turn enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of Parsio. Now guys, in order to register or sign up for a Parsio IO account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login and the sign up button available for us. In order to sign up, just click on sign up, but if you have already created an account, you can simply log in guys. And with that being said, let's click on sign up. And over here guys, on this page you can see there is the sign in with Google button available for us even on the sign up page. This means that if you want to continue with your Google account on the Parsio IO, you will not be required to sign up. You can just sign into your Google account by clicking on this button. A panel to log into your Google account will open, and if you log into it, you'll be signed into the Parsio AI account with your Google account without having to go through the registration manually. And with that being said guys, if you do not have a Google account, let's go for a manual sign up. To do that, let's enter our full name over here, and after that enter your email address, and after that enter your password over here guys. While creating a password, make sure to create it up to 8 characters at least, and make sure to use some capital letters, some small letters, some numbers, and some extra special characters in order to make your password strong. And with that being done guys, after entering your full name, your email address, and your password, simply click on the let's get started. And on the next step, you will be required to choose your plan for your account, and the verification link will be sent to you on your email which you have entered here. Open your email address or go to the email sent by the Parsio after clicking on the get started button, and click on that link to verify that you're a human. And then guys, you will have to customize some of the Parsio AI account settings depending upon how do you want to use it. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Parsio AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.